Hoping to end the rice smuggling in the country, various farmers' organizations voiced their indignation over the prevalent unfair market practice that affected their primary source of living. Iogaves will tell us more.
The rally staged by various farmer organizations in front of the Bureau of Customs main office yielded positive results as BOC Commissioner John Sevilla, together with Deputy Commissioner Jesse De Lioza, met with the farmers for a dialogue regarding the issue of rice smuggling. Although farmer groups are happy with the performance of the new BOC management, they want the agency to give more notice to the situation of rice smuggling in the country, which has greatly affected the industry of agriculture.
Gagawin niya yung hindi ginawa ng ibang commissioner. Ano yon? Bibigay yung isang dokumento, foreign manifest, sa Department of Agriculture, DTI. Hindi binibigay yun kasi tinatago ng customs yan. Ngayon bibigay na.
Tingnan natin kung gaano karami yung napeperwisyo na para kumita at mabuhay ng matiwasay para maalis sa kahirapan ng mga magsasaka.
The farmers want a thorough investigation and persecution of suspected smugglers and government personnel who are in connivance with such groups on the rampant rice smuggling in the country. Aside from the dialogue inside the customs office, Commissioner Sevilla directly went to the rallies. Customs officials assured the farmer groups that they will strengthen various measures against the entry of rice in the country without proper documentation. The BOC vowed for the persecution of individuals and groups behind rice smuggling in the Philippines.
Magmula ngayon, talagang mahigpit na po kami na pag walang import permit, wala pong papasok na bigas ni isang sako sa Pilipinas. Maliwanag na po yun ngayon. Nagpapasalamat kami sa tulong ng ibang ahensya, lalong-lalo ng Supreme Court, at mukhang nabigyan kami ng na yung mga korte na siyang pinagbabawalan kami na i-hold yung bigas na hinold namin ay mukhang binigyan kami ng or mukhang pinagbawalan ang korte sa Davao.
This is Iogaves for News at 1 Junior Edition.